Welcome to Cooking with Soul, hosted by me, Tambra Raye, brought to you by the U.S. Botanic Garden. And today we are preparing black-eyed pea salad. It is known by many different names, which we'll dive into that. But as you know, with every episode, we love honoring Black women in food. And today we are honoring Gail Taylor of Three Part Harmony Farms in the District of Columbia, who has worked tirelessly on urban farm enterprises and actually helped to pass legislation around urban farming in the District of Columbia, which I had an opportunity to testify for. And so as this season, farmer market season is in, supporting your local community supported agriculture is so important. And many of the ingredients in today's dish you can get from hers as well. Let's get started. With this particular dish, black-eyed pea, we wanted to go and honor a recipe that comes from Senegal, West Africa, but also the black-eyed pea is found in other countries used. From Ghana, you can find it in the red, which is a stewed black-eyed pea dish, and also in Nigeria, you can see it in the moi, which is a steamed bean cake that is consumed in Nigeria. Is one of the top producers of black-eyed pea. Also, part of every New Year in our African American culture, we have Hoppin John. And so the black-eyed pea, which is a legume, helps to nourish the nutrient content of soil. And so that is partly why it's gotten its rich history of known for helping to replenish and create a bountiful crop because of its relationship in helping create healthy soil, which is so vitally needed because we need nutrients in our foods, right? But back home where I'm from, Oklahoma and Texas caviar is also another name for the black-eyed pea salad. And so in this episode of Homeland to the Heartland, as someone who's coming from the Heartland, but also connecting to my African roots in West Africa and Nigeria, this dish really is a signature dish that really encapsulates the travel of this bean from Africa to the Caribbean into the American South. It got popularized by a dietitian, Helen Corbett, who came out of New York but went into Texas to help be the head chef at Neiman Marcus, and also had served it at a Houston country club, as a caviar with nacho chips. And so we are reclaiming that food as ours, rightfully so, in creating a dish that is known as salad du niébé in Senegal, but also is celebrated throughout the South because it's a good luck pea. It's seen the sign of prosperity. And so when we talk about culinary currency, particularly as it relates to Black women, the bean is the coin, as collard greens is the green mighty dollar. And so we are celebrating our beans and greens for our queens and kings. And so let's get started. We have in this dish, our recipe combines black-eyed pea. We also will be cutting our cucumber, our onion, and our garlic, and we also have parsley, a nice fragrant herb, as we shared, that's coming from the garden. And then also we're making a dressing. That dressing is composed of the ingredients of the extra virgin olive oil. We have fresh squeezed lime juice. We have pepper. Then we have a little bit of Himalayan pink sea salt because we want salt that has nutrition packed in it, that's not highly processed. So with that, we're also going to have some helpers, my children, Elliot and Ruby, who are going to come and join us. And so we wanted to have an opportunity where kids can help prepare the salad and also enjoy it as well because they're part of the process. So let's get started. First, we're going to, is this not your favorite?
I like cucumbers.
Exactly. So we're adding cucumbers. And so you are going to help cut the cucumber. And then Ruby's going to have her turn and helping with the salad dressing. So as he cuts the cucumber, we're going to dice it, not just slice it. And I think half of it will do, Elliot. Thank you very much. And we're going to put that to the side, dice it like so. And then we're going to put this in a separate bowl. Can you go get a bowl over there? Awesome. And next we're going to dice up the red pepper, and we're going to have Ruby help with that. And get another bowl for her, Ruby. So with the red pepper, we're going to take this top part off. Ruby, do you want red bell pepper or you want the habanero?
The habanero.
Ooh, she likes it spicy. So here you go. You want how many? 1 or 2? How spicy do you want? Okay, we'll see if she can handle the heat or she about to get out that kitchen. Watch your fingernails. Guess she's a cutting pro there. But we are finally dicing the habanero pepper. And then we're going to put that in a separate bowl. And next we're going to cut the onion. Put that to the side. Anybody want to cut the onion?
Me.
Oh, okay. Tears for fears around here.
Half or?
So yeah, you're gonna cut it half and then make the surface flat. And you know how to peel?
Yes.
Curl back your fingernails. Great job. Now take over, sous chef. So now we have all of our ingredients chopped up, and we're going to assemble our. Now for this dish, you can do 2 ways. You can either buy the bean, soak it overnight, do the quick soak, or you can buy the can or in the frozen section and rinse them off prior for any excess sodium, which we don't need in our life or in our health. And so that's what I did prior to presenting it in the bowl. So we're going to dump our black-eyed peas. We are going to combine and actually you can help as well, combine the cucumber, combine the onion. Exactly. And then we have our dressing. Now with our dressing, thank you, we can combine that separately, which is what we'll do right here just so you can see the process. So kids, if you can add the ingredients, Elliot, the oil. Thank you. Ruby, can you add the lime juice? Yeah, we have fresh squeezed lime, makes a huge difference. Thank you very much. And then we have garlic, Elliot. Thank you. And we have habanero, Ruby. Thank you. And we have sea salt. Pink Himalayan salt. Great job, Elliot. And then can you stir that? Awesome. And now let's have Elliot pour it. Here you go. Pour as much as you think needs to be in it. And We also have our herb, our parsley. We cannot forget that. Now, we could have chopped it, but we didn't. So we're just gonna pick it off. And we're going to pull it apart by our hands. So it's going to make for a nice added flavor in our salad before we serve. And the beauty of this dish, it can sit in the fridge, but you can serve immediately. But the longer it sits, the more the flavors marinate together, which is always a good thing when we want more flavor popping in our mouths. And so this dish is definitely one that is a great family dish to make together, because a family that cooks together stays together. And so we're gonna head over to our table and have a nice little snack with our black-eyed pea salad. Let's prep our bowls. Now, with a dish like this, beans with any kind of whole grain makes for a nice complementary protein. And so we have a black, red, brown medley of rice together. And so why whole grains? Because it ensures that we have our vitamins, our minerals, our fiber, and our carbohydrates all together. So let's make there we go. Take your bowl. All right, enjoy. Would you eat it, cook it again?
Yes.
Awesome. So I hope you can recreate this dish with your family as with mine. We have enjoyed cooking together, eating together, because we want to stay together healthy. And so post, comment, share this video on all social media with U.S. Botanic Garden on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And thank you for tuning in, and enjoy a taste of soul.